Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games with AirConsole. AirConsole turns your web browser into a complete video game console, using your smartphone as the controller. It's a fantastic way to enjoy multiplayer games without needing expensive equipment. You simply open a website on your main screen and use your phone to connect. This innovative platform offers a unique and accessible gaming experience for everyone, making it easy to jump right into the fun with friends and family. To begin, navigate to AirConsole. Com using a web browser on your computer or smart television. Next, open the AirConsole application on your smartphone. You will see a unique 5-digit connection code appear on your main screen. Simply input this code into your phone's application. Once the code is entered, your phone instantly becomes your game controller, ready to interact with the games displayed on your larger screen. It's a quick and seamless setup process. With your phone now acting as the controller, you can easily browse AirConsole's diverse game library. Scroll through the available titles directly on your smartphone screen. Once you find a game that sparks your interest, simply select it. The main screen will then display the game, along with any specific instructions for playing. Many games on AirConsole are designed for multiple players, often supporting up to 8 people, perfect for parties or family gatherings. For the best AirConsole experience, always ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents any lag or interruptions during your gameplay. Also, remember to keep your smartphone adequately charged, as it will be continuously used as your controller. Don't hesitate to explore the wide variety of game genres available, from fast-paced racing games to engaging trivia and party games. There's truly something for everyone to enjoy on AirConsole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.